Hold on. Here, hang out. Hang out for a second. Yes! 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 Okay, so.
What do we have here?
It came.
What?
It came early.
What?
The Boba Fett re-armored helmet off of Amazon.
The one from January?
The one I ordered like umpteenth years ago was supposed to be here January 11th or so.
It's November.
November 18th arrived this evening right here in this box. I don't know why it got released early, but I got it. It came early.
Let's check it out.
Let's open it up. We're going to make this as painless as possible. As you know, we did, what was it, May of 2019. We did the original Boba Fett helmet. I'm sure you all remember that.
Stop.
So we're going to compare it directly to the...
Right there.
Okay, we're going to compare it directly to this one because I have a feeling it might be a Hasbro repaint. So let's open it up and let's see what we got. Much better packaging than last time. It's in the box. Did they send me the same one? No? Okay. Boba Fett re-armored. It says Star Wars The Mandalorian on the box.
You've got the side panel artwork they've been doing too.
So I guess they're basing this off of the Mandalorian show and not the Book of Boba Fett that's coming out in December. But I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the helmet that he will be wearing in the show, but that is yet to be seen. So I guess we should just get right into it, huh?
You need a knife?
Do we have one right there? We do. We do have a knife. We're going to just open it up quick. All right. Use the trusty blade. So packaged like every other helmet. The helmets have been running for $100. This one was $119.99. Again, packaged nicely. Here is the original one. They also came out with the white. Oh, you want to open it up? You also know they came out with the prototype. We did not pick up the prototype. I actually said, hey, babe, you want to grab the prototype? And you said, isn't it the same helmet as the other one in white?
It's just a repaint.
And it was a repaint. I kind of got suckered in, though, while she's getting that out. The Death Watch helmet came out also. And here you go. Let's just put that right next to it. It's the same mold without the dent. It's basically a repaint. Let's see where we're at with this one. I have a feeling we might be in the same boat. All right. So again, we have the stalk. This is the... I don't know why I want to call it a stalk, but
not a stalk.
But yeah, the
his little like visor that has like the heads up display built into it.
Well, let's see. Comparing it to the other one, it's just a different color.
Yeah.
What do we got?
I see a different color green.
Oh, wow. Look at this.
I don't want to like scratch it.
This might be, I mean...
They take the crap out of this thing, let me tell you. Here we go.
Wow, okay. Okay. Well, it's a completely different... Look. So, okay. This color reminds me of that dreaded... what's that helmet we have? The one you bought me?
The Rubies helmet?
This color reminds me of the Rubies color helmet.
Should we get the Rubies helmet?
No, we ain't bringing that back into this. So same thing as all of the Star Wars Black Series Boba Fett style helmets with the stalk. With the exception of the prototype helmet, we have all three. And we're going to put this one aside because we're going to directly compare these two right here. So let's put the Death Watch helmet back. Throw that there. So what, you see anything different right off the bat besides the color?
Besides the green, he has a little black check on the back now.
Oh, okay. So the count, I always use this as like how many ships he took down.
Yes.
I mean, I could be wrong.
It is definitely increased, and now we're keeping track in black.
But if you remember, no spoilers, Cobb Vanth had the helmet.
So is that one of his?
No, we don't know. I mean, there's probably a lot of stuff that we're gonna find out. But if you remember, he had the helmet, and then in the episode where he meets the Mandalorian, he gives him back the old crusty helmet. But then he comes back in the next episode with the re-armored paint scheme. So we don't know what could have happened between him going into the Sarlacc pit and then going into here. Another thing that you could see on here is going to be the red diamond, or the red arrow on here is colored in. We're gonna show you some up close shots. This looks like this was the way it looks like it was actually painted. You can see the same scarring.
The actual like blemishing is gone.
Yeah, so you could tell that if we're in the fantasy world of Star Wars, he painted this helmet because it
also looks like it's like old and been through some stuff because they have it like almost rusting along some of the seams.
Yeah. No, I think you know what? I mean, I wasn't going to get this. And I'm saying to myself, oh, we got the Book of Boba Fett coming out. I gotta get it. Let's take a look at the inside. We'll show you some close-ups of the inside. And has anything changed? Okay, so on the original Boba Fett,
coloring
has orange little doodads on the inside, I guess, for padding. Whereas if you look at the new one,
they're like a weathered brown almost, like they've aged.
Aged. Everything else stayed the same on the inside as far as electronics, which, there's the black plastic facade electronics.
You have the head strap you can adjust.
Yeah. And a lot of questions about this, the old helmet. I took the head strap out and I put foam. It's just a lot easier. But yeah, a side-by-side comparison, I'm actually pretty impressed.
This piece comes off, right?
Yeah, so you could take this off. Same thing. This comes off, and when you go down, boom, you have the...
we haven't put batteries in.
Yeah, we don't put batteries because we've left batteries in other helmets, and they have with the battery
corroded.
acid, and they corroded. So, but yeah, no, it's a Black Series re-armored helmet from the Mandalorian. We have the Empire Strikes Back version of Boba Fett, which came out in 2019. We're now in 2021. This was supposed to be a 2022 release, but we got it early. We got lucky.
Yeah, if your order still shows January, see if you can add it to your cart now and get it a little sooner.
This is really nice. Like I'm actually I went into this not thinking I was gonna like it, and I like it. So I printed one. And I didn't put the arm on. But let's just get all of the versions out there one more time for you to see. Let's make sure they're all in there. They are. So yeah, Death Watch, Empire Strikes Back, Boba Fett re-armored, custom made on the 3D printer, and I don't have anything else to say.
If money's tight and you can only afford one and you missed out on the original Boba Fett helmet that came out, this is definitely a good option. So try and grab it while you can.
If you had to pick one.
I like this one.
You don't like this one?
I mean, it's beautiful. You made it and I love you.
Mm-hmm, that's great.
I like this one.
Yeah, I you know what? It's new, it's fresh, it's the new one in the house right now, so I'm kind of like, woo. Based on my loyalty to the original trilogy, this will always be my favorite helmet, but this one is definitely up there. I mean, I can't wait for the Book of Boba Fett coming out in late December on Disney Plus. So check it out. But as always, great seeing you guys. Leave a comment below, hit the like button, subscribe. So you guys enjoy. May the Force be with you. Have a good weekend and a happy holiday. See you soon.